everyone, welcome back to Young CEO AI World, and today we're going to be learning about how to use ChatGPT as an homework helper. So let's start. So the first step is just to go to ChatGPT. Then you see chatgpt.com. Once you are there, you just need to come to where you are going to chat. And the first thing you will tell it, you have to give it enough context. Just like the Mac model, you have to give it enough context for it to understand what it's going to give you. So let's start. Let's say my name is Joy. I am in, let's say, 7th grade. I want to do an assignment on, maybe let's say, mathematics. Act like my homework helper. Then full stop and tell it to write at 5th or 6th grade level. 5th grade level. So let's see. So you can see it has known your name, it has known the level it will explain it, can explain it to you in 5th grade level. So it said you should send our math assignment or question. So let's say you don't understand. Let's say let's start with a simple question. Let's say you don't understand 5x plus 7q minus 7x plus 2q. So send it. So it's time you group like terms. You can see it is explaining it at 5th grade level. So you can see expression 5x plus 7q. You group the like terms. Like terms are terms with the same letters like x and q. So you can see add or subtract like terms. So just go. So 5x minus 7x equals to minus 2x, 7q plus 2q, 9q, and final answer, minus 2x plus 9q. So let's give it, so you can just tell it that break it down for me at, let's say, 3rd grade level. So you just send it. You made it was 5th grade level, so he wants to make it simple. So he's explaining it as fruits. So let's say think of letters like different types of fruits, apple and banana. X goes with X, Q goes with Q. Go down. So it has explained to you. Explain, then it will give you your final answer. So it said you had 5, you took away 7. Now you have minus 2. That means, let's say you are owing someone you have $5 and you're owing someone $7. You give the person your $5 that you have, so you are going to be owing the person $2, so that's minus 2x. And let's say you have $7 and you have $2 and you join them together, that's going to be $9. So you had 5 apples, lost 7, now you owe 2 apples. You have 7 bananas, got 2 more, now you have 9 bananas. So I hope you understand. Wait for the next AI series. Thank you.